Kaunti ma Kakamega biro bago telo ma 23 mag tuke mag skunde sekondar pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe ma ochan dwe mar 8 higani. Tuke ma higani geno ni biro ywayo ji maromo 5,000 bang' riwruok matayo tuke go chiwo ler ni tuke ma higani biro medi kowuok e tuke kidienje 15 nyaka 20 kano loso gi jofwambo bang' romo gi ten migawo mar somo jakom mar riwruok mar tuke skunde sekondar Justus Mugisha olero ni ikruok ni kare kendo Kenya nitiere gi ng'wech mar ikruok makare mokum tuke ma omedi oting'o ni cricket, piche mag adhula mag dho wath, lacrosse kin mamoko.
I would like to confirm the following. One, that the games will take place in Kenya. That's the Fiasa game, the 23rd edition, in Kakamega. And then two, that we shall have guests, high dignitaries attending the games. And we have been assured by the PS, that the principal secretary, that they have put aside enough funds to make sure that the championship is very successful.
Reassuring on behalf of the country that we are ready to host. Kakamega is ready, Kenya is ready, and I'm also impressed that for the first time we are going to have guest teams that will increase the participation to over 10 countries. We expect, apart from the traditional East African countries, we have also invited as guests over 12 countries from the rest of Africa.